Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double box break number 873 of 1415 Upper Deck Trilogy. The last minute in the break was to Midtown Oilers on February 5th at 6:10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Starting to lose my voice here now. So, current time. It's currently Friday, February 6th at 12:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Click one more time. And then also, for the people who have yet to register on our breaker page, really appreciate if you do. Just register account up there normally. Then just kind of scroll down here. Everything that's listed is posted there. So we are live on Breakers TV here. Sorry. So 873. And our serial numbers tonight are 82788198067 and 4702. Second set numbers. Sorry, really starting to lose my voice here now. (8067-4702). So go over shrink wrap. Pop inside. And sealed. Okay, so I'll turn this around here. Show you the serial number one more time. We will get started. So 8067. So good luck, everyone. Appreciate it again. Have a redemption. If it's a signature puck, should be a pretty decent one. So we always have a triptych signatures, number to 60 of Ray Bourque. So I'm gonna actually have to double check this. So Ron, I don't know if you're free or anybody else in the room right now. Can somebody look up the triptych signatures? RB number 3. Just because I know they've been used in like 2 teams or something. And if you can post that link, the checklist link for me right after. Yeah, confirm Ray Bourque there. This one is a Andre Burakovsky, $3.99 for the Caps. Burakovsky. It's number RB3. RB3. Next one is a rookie premieres of Chris Tierney, $3.99 for the Sharks. Yeah. Just can you post a link for me, please? I'm gonna have to double check the upper deck checklist too. So we got a William Karlsson, $7.99. Oh, you got off the spreadsheet. Okay. So so that's the actual official one. So Ray Bourque is Colorado Avalanche on that autograph variation, so it is going to the Avalanche on that one. So we got Mark Byzantine, $7.99 for the Coyotes. So I'll just quickly. Oh, nice. First printing plates we've hit. We got a printing plate of Henrik Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks, the yellow version, 1/1. Henrik Sedin. Nice hit there for the Canucks. Eliminate the rip. Very first one. And we have ourselves a triptych stick of Henrik Zetterberg, 113 of 150 for the Red Wings. Henrik Zetterberg, nice piece of lumber there. We have ourselves a Crystal Premiers of Aaron Ekblad out of $3.99 for the Panthers. Yeah, I remember like last year's trilogy, we were hitting quite a few plates, but this year's been far in between. We have ourselves a Ryan Suter, career statistics of 263 for the Wild. Ryan Suter, 263 assists. Okay, so just letting you guys know right now, before we start box 2. So this Ray Bourque, going to the Upper Deck checklist, it is going to the Colorado Avalanche. So the triptych signatures, T-RB3. So I can forward you the Upper Deck Master checklist too if you need, or just check on their website there. 4702, box number 2. Actually, we'll just hang tight until the end of the break here too. I'll actually go on Upper Deck's actual website and pull that card up too, just so there's no disagreements. But Ron is pretty credible when it comes to looking up the card there. And a nice signature pucks of Mike Richter for the New York Rangers. It's a nice hit there for New York. Just a Richter. And a rookie Premier's auto out of $3.99, Mr. Johnny Gaudreau. Mr. Hockey. Or Johnny Hockey, sorry. Oops. Sorry, Mr. Cody Howell. Johnny Hockey, not. Next one is a triptychs jersey, Lucky Luke, 447 of 600, the LA Kings. And a career statistics blue of Chris Kunitz, 279. We have ourselves a rookie premieres of Griffin Reinhart for the Islanders, $7.99. And another hit right behind it, John Tavares, 400 for the Islanders also. Base. Sorry, just give me 1 second here. Shoulder's getting sore. And a career statistics of Henrik Lundqvist, 17 of 33. 33 wins for the Rangers. Nice. And more hits for the Red Wings. We got a triptychs jersey, Henrik Zetterberg, 34 of 400. I wonder if these two pieces we got go together or not. I think it might actually. Jersey, stick, then probably the autograph version. And next one is a Crystal Premier's rookie of Ty Ratty for the Blues. Ty Ratty. And final pack of the break, guys. Good luck, everyone. And then just for the people that might have an opportunity at Ray Bork, just hang tight there. I'm going to actually show the upper deck checklist at the end here. And a $4.99 rookie premieres of Griffin Reinhardt, the Islanders. So there we have it, guys. So just give me a second here. Let me grab the redemption. Pull upper deck's checklist. I'll actually see if I can look it up on their actual checklist here rather than doing the spreadsheet. Okay, yeah, so turn you guys around here. We are on Upper Deck Company's website, so 2014 Triptych Signatures and card T-RB3 Ray Bork is going out to the Colorado Avalanche, number to 60. Then quickly just reference that card up too. So TB- or RB3. So congratulations, Colorado. I can eBay message the code if you like, or just have it shipped out. So tomorrow we got more Trilogy, SP Game Use, and second box of Cup.